Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make someone moderator in your Discord channel or any specific server. So in this case, choose the server first, then go to these server settings, go server settings, go to roles. Now create a moderator role, like I'm creating here, moderator. I have already one moderator. I'm creating another for showing you. Clicking on this, choosing my color, then display role separately from members. You can allow this. Okay, now you can see here permissions. Go to permissions and give the power to the moderator, what that moderator can do. Okay, so after giving these things, go to manage members, and you have to add someone for this role. Like if you click on search members, you'll find all of these guys. I'm choosing this guy as a moderator. Now clicking on add. Now click on save changes. Now if you go back to roles, you'll find that moderator, green moderator here. Okay, maybe something wrong. I'm showing you again. Just hold on. Click on, just write the moderator. I'm deleting the previous one. Maybe that's why it's not working. Now go to create role. Now you should name this role moderator, like this, and you can display. Save changes. After that, go permissions and give the powers to the moderator, what a moderator can do for you. Now manage members, add members whom you want to make the moderator. I'm choosing this guy. Add. You can see that moderator is added. If you see here, just save changes, and if you go to moderator role again, server settings, roles, you'll find here moderator, which is number one. Okay, one guy. This is one is moderator. So guys, this is how you can give someone moderator role in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and stick with Tech Team channel. Thank you.